Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am stuffing my YouTube paycheck. I actually got paid $15.65, but I'm not going to be stuffing that whole amount. I'm actually going to do a couple of things before I stuff, and I'm going to end up with $5.96. So I'm going to go over everything that I plan on putting into my envelopes for my cash stuffing video. Right now, I do plan on putting out of this $15.65. YouTube doesn't take money out of your taxes, so I always have to put that aside. So for taxes, I'm just gonna write a little note for myself that I'm putting $4.69 into taxes. I usually do 30% of what I get paid, so that goes straight into savings for taxes. And then the other thing that I do, I don't stuff any of my bills. Because I like keeping everything in the bank because it's all auto pay anyways. So rent is especially another one. I don't want to pull out all that money and then just take it back to the bank because it's a lot. So I just keep it in the bank, but I do track it in this system. And I actually do, I don't know what the method is called, but I do like split the payments between all my checks. So, since this is a magic month for me, for my full-time job, I have 5 paychecks this week, and I actually get paid every week at my full-time job, which is really nice, especially for this. So because I'm splitting it, I only have to put aside $300 each paycheck for my full-time job. That'll equal out to, I believe, okay, so if I'm doing 300 times 5, that's 1,500. And then, actually, sorry, am I doing 1,500? No, that's right. And then $1,000 I take from my 2 main social media incomes, which is YouTube, this paycheck, and Patreon. I have other income streams when it comes to like affiliate links and different things like that. Sponsorships and yeah, but I don't take any rent savings from there because it's all over the place. These are the most like consistent ones that I get paid, so I like to pull from these. So from those I do 500 from each one, 500 from YouTube, 500 from Patreon. So over here I'm just going to put rent 500, so that's $15.65, which is what I started with, minus the $4.69 for the taxes, and then 500, which leaves me with the $5.96. So that's what I'm actually stuffing into my wallets this week. $5.96. It's always like, dang, it always goes down so much, but a big bulk of that is from rent, thankfully. I have a lot of that covered from this paycheck. So thank you so much if you watch my videos. It is very, very helpful, and I super appreciate it because it allows me to, have this income to pull from, which is amazing. So yeah, if you watch my videos, especially if you watch them all the way through and watch those ads, thank you so much. All right, so $5.96 is the total. I already did my wallet because my wallet, I'm just doing the same. In spending, I'm doing 30. Groceries is getting 80. Eating out is 30. Coffee is 20. And buffer is 10. I've spent so much from this. I actually can't wait to stuff these again because I'm running low on what I can spend. So that's a total of 170, and I already have the denominations figured out just so that I don't have to do it every week because it's the same thing every week. All right, so these do change up. As you can see, I've spent all of my Disney money. I went to Disney 2 days last week for my nephew's birthday, and we had fun, and I bought a lot of things. This paid for food, which food and a souvenir. Actually, I bought 2 things, so it was quite a bit. So I need to stuff this a little bit more because I'm going to Disney on Friday, but for like a half day, so just a night day. But I'm probably gonna spend a good amount on food because they're gonna have a new menu, like a Halloween menu. So I want to try a bunch of things. All right, so I'm gonna put 35 in there. Home decor, I'm just gonna do 10 because I'm finally just starting to see, especially at Target. Oh, and I want to go to IKEA, but for holiday decor, I'm seeing some like Halloween stuff be put out. So kind of want to put a little bit more in there. So that's gonna be 10. Target, I'm at 16. I'm gonna put 15. Household is going to get 10. Family is another one I depleted too while I was at Disney. Since I was with my family, I do use this money there too. So we're gonna do 20. We also went to Porto's after, which was really, really good. Yeah, so we ate. Got a lot of pastries. I used some of the money from there. Beauty is going to get, let's do 15 because I really want to buy this moisturizer that I really like, but it's kind of expensive. And I have the Fetch app, which like is what you use to scan coupons, and I'm almost to enough to get a $10 like Ulta or Sephora card. So I plan on using the money for that to help pay for that moisturizer. Content, I only have $5 in here, so I'm gonna put 10. I can't remember if I always forget to subtract over here. Okay, planner stuff is gonna get 10 because, you know, we're heading into like fall releases and stuff, so need to start adding more into there. Costco is not getting anything. Extra debt is going to get $30. Clothing, I really want to put money in here, so I think 25. Okay, so that's it for this one. I'm gonna double check my total to make sure I'm correct. I was way off. Okay, that makes more sense. I was like, that doesn't make any sense. So sorry about that. All right, so I'm at 236. Okay, so in here is more of my like long-term binder. So I have electronics. How much do I have in here? 237. I'm gonna do 10. Auto repair is going to just get 5 because I'm actually at a decent amount. I'm at 140. Furniture, 10. Gifts, let's do 10. Christmas, 15. Registration is 5. Emergency, 20. Treat yourself is going to get the same as the debt one, so 30. Okay, so that's it for this one. So I'm left with 131. This is my savings challenge binder. So this one is for Go Wild. I believe, okay, I'm at 980. I want to get at least to 1,000 so I could put a placeholder in here. So in here, I'm going to do 30. Okay, so I'm at 101. And then I do have some savings challenges I plan to head for. So I'm going to put roll the dice, which is 18. And I have this 52 week. I actually want to knock out 2, so I have 10 and a 5, so I can do 15. 15. Okay, I have 100 envelope. I think I want to do 2 again. I'm going to do 40 and 3. So I'll do 43. 100 envelope. 40 and 3. So 43. What am I left with? 25. Okay, so I'm left with $25. So I think I'm just gonna put that in a savings, into like savings challenges. I think that should be good. Okay, I have to hurry up because I have to head into a meeting soon and cutting it close. All right, so now I'm just gonna figure out the denominations next. All right, for Disney, it's gonna be a 20 and a 5 and a 10, so 20, 35. Home decor is 10, 10, 10, 5, 10, I need a 20 for that one, 10 and a 5, 10, 10, 20, 30, 25. Electronics is 10, 5, 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, and emergency is a 20. Treat yourself is 30, so 20 and a 10. Go wild is 30. Roll the dice is 18, so 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 52 week is 15, so 10 and a 5. 100 envelope, I'm gonna do 2 20s and 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. Savings is 25. So in savings, I'm gonna do, let's see, 5, 10, 15. I'm gonna do 15 and 5, so 3 5s, 1, 2, 3. And then the rest, which is $15, I'm just gonna do in ones. 15, 20, wait, not $15. $10, it's $10. All right, so I'm gonna do 10. So I'm just gonna put 10. I'm gonna do 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, hopefully I didn't mess this up so I don't have to like fix it, but the ones is, or the 50 is 1, 20s is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right, so we have 50, 20 times 12. 20 times 12, because I can't do math right now. 240. 240, 220. 13 times 5 is 65, and 21. All right, so let's see. This is where I find out if I messed up or not. 240, 220, 65, and 21, which is 596. Yay. All right, so that is what I'm going to be pulling from the bank. Well, I'm going to get 150, 12 20s, 10 20, sorry, 22 10s, 13 5s, and 21 1s. Oh, and if you have questions about this sheet, I actually made it. I'm actually doing some tweaks on it. Right now, my patrons have access to it because they're kind of helping me with some edits on it, and I want to make sure like it works. It is double-sided too. I made sure that I could print it double-sided, which is nice. But yeah, I'm working on it because I want to start selling it. So, because I get a lot of questions about it. But yeah, that should be coming soon. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.